Jain class 9th students, how are you? Hope you everyone fine. Class 9th students, you are know very well the half yearly examination is ahead, so you just prepare for half yearly examination. All the question answer in the computer subject. Okay. Firstly, you mention and write the all topics. Those topics I taught in the each and every videos. Okay. So listen carefully. In this today's class, I want to explain first again computer memory, and after the explanation, I want to answer from your side because I am going to write the question on it. Okay? मैं कुछ प्रश्न लिखूंगा, इसको डिफाइन करने के बाद आपको उसका जवाब नीचे डाउन साइड कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना है. ओके? एंड इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वीडियो देन क्लिक ऑन द लाइक बटन. ओके? अगर समझ में आता है तो लाइक बटन प्रेस करना. Then either if you any types of confusion, then you just write in the comment box. Okay? So computer memory. Okay? Memory terms it means memory. When the words come in memory, then you understand that is a talk on where we have to keep something. Okay, we have to keep something. So according to this, memory is used to store the computer data. Okay, memory is used to store the computer data, and memory have two types. How much types of the memory have? Memory have only two types. First is called internal memory. And second is called external memory. Okay? So I hope you understand. Memory, it is a part of a computer where you have to store the data, and you may also say that memory is the brain of computer where we keep computer electronic files. And memory have two parts. First part name is internal memory, second part name is external memory. In the internal memory, okay, in the internal memory there is a thing, those I taught you. Internal memory is called a primary memory because it is used firstly, क्योंकि इसका इस्तेमाल सबसे पहले किया जाता है, इसीलिए इसको प्राइमरी मेमोरी भी कहते हैं. एंड इट हैव द टू टाइप्स. प्राइमरी मेमोरी के भी दो टाइप होते हैं. एक टाइप का नाम होता है रैम और दूसरे टाइप का नाम होता है रोम. ओके, रैम एंड रोम. लिसन केयरफुली. रैम एंड रोम. रैम full form is random access memory. Okay, RAM stands for random access memory, and it is the primary memory of computer, and it's a support to computer systems to install the open the operating system, because when the operating system is start, then all the operating system files are opened on the RAM. So it is a necessary part of the internal memory. Okay. Another important thing I want to tell you, RAM in nature of volatile. Okay, RAM जो है volatile nature का होता है. Okay, RAM is called a volatile memory and ROM is a non-volatile memory. Non-volatile. अब तुम्हारे समझ में ये नहीं आएगा कि सर ये वोलेटाइल और नॉन वोलेटाइल का क्या रोल है. ठीक है, रैम के अंतर्गत अगर कोई डाटा इंस्टॉल है तो उसे मिटाया भी जा सकता है। आर यू अंडरस्टैंड क्लास 9 स्टूडेंट्स? बट रोम में कोई डाटा दिख रहा है तो उसको आप नहीं मिटा सकते। रैम इज कॉल्ड रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी बट रोम इज कॉल्ड रीड ओनली मेमोरी। So in the read only memory you have to only see your data, not erase and not do anything. Okay, only see your data. Now listen, RAM full form is random access memory and it have two part. RAM के भी दो पार्ट होते हैं, एक होता है SRAM होता है, ठीक है। फर्स्ट पार्ट नेम इज SRAM, पहले पार्ट का क्या नाम है SRAM, जबकि दूसरा इसका पार्ट क्या है वो है DRAM। Second part is named DRAM, SRAM, DRAM, okay. And ROM is also have two part. First is PROM, second is EPROM, okay, and third is double EPROM. Third is double EPROM, okay. First is PROM, second is EPROM, third is double EPROM. Programmable read-only memory, erasable programmable read-only memory and electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. तो ROM तीन प्रकार के होते हैं। ROM वोलेटाइल नेचर का होता है और ROM एक ऐसी मेमोरी है जिसमें डेटा को केवल रीड किया जा सकता है। ROM is used to read the files those are available in this, okay. You don't have to erase that file because RAM is used to erase the file, okay. RAM calls also RAM cards also volatile nature memory and ROM is non-volatile memory. Is that clear? So first thing is clear. Second one is external memory. In the next part is internal memory because its a memory part is finished. First part of memory is finished. Now in the second part, you just listen this external memory. Okay, external memory is called a secondary memory. External memory को कौन सी मेमोरी कहते हैं? Secondary memory कहते हैं. Okay, is that clear to all? External memory is called the secondary memory and this secondary memory is called a permanent memory. इसको ध्यान रखिएगा, इसको कौन सी मेमोरी कहते हैं? Permanent memory. इसमें अगर कोई डाटा आपने रख दिया तो रख दिया, वो डिलीट नहीं होगा. That one is not erasable. When you not want, अगर आप नहीं चाहेंगे तो वो डाटा डिलीट नहीं होगा. So in the external memory it is a permanent memory. Okay. So I think you are clear this topic. Now you just talk on the external memory. In the external memory looks like an example HDD, hard disk device and floppy disk, DVD, CD, pen drive, okay, chip. It is called the permanent type of memory and it's called secondary memory. Example, I think everyone understand memory, internal memory, external memory, RAM, ROM, SRAM, DRAM, ROM, PROM, EPROM, double EPROM and secondary memory. Okay, so hope you understand the memory topics. Now I am asking a question to you. You have to write that answer. Okay, those questions I am asked here. Okay, my question is this. What is a computer memory? Okay, you have to write the answer of this question. Okay, till then, thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, so firstly you have to like this video and then you just comment it if you have any types of confusion. Okay, when you like, then I understand how much students can be understand it, and if you don't like, then you just write your argument. Thank you.